Hello and welcome back guys to another video of Antique Tech. So in this video we are gonna be reviewing another cheap thing available on Amazon that is very inexpensive, that costs less than $3, and that is this mic. This is the generic lapel mic which is available on Amazon at just rupees 166, which is less than $2. The packaging looks very cheap, to be honest. I don't know what's the quality of the mic that is present inside it. I don't know what's the length of the wire that this mic has, and what's the quality of the sound that it produces, that it takes the input from the user. Let's find out, let's unbox it and let's try it out, and I hope so after this video we'll know whether to buy it for your YouTube videos, whether you are going to need it for your mobile phones, your DSLR and whatever, your laptops, computers. Let's see, let's unbox this and let's see whether it's worth it or you should go for some other product. So guys, I'll be doing this unboxing in front of you, in front of the camera with my face in the picture, and let's begin. I must say I'm pretty disappointed because I get just these two things. This is a small bill, and the main thing is here in this small packet. And one thing to say is that as you can see, the bubble wrap on this mic has already been popped. So there is a Ziploc bag, and in this Ziploc bag this is the mic. See what's the length of this wire. Yes, 1.5 meters. 1.5 meter. Yes, it is around 1.5 meters long. Not too long, but not too short too. That's okay. That's good. But the main thing of buying any mic is the sound quality. Let's try it out. Okay guys, so looking around the web for just around 30 minutes, I realized that this mic doesn't work for DSLRs. It works only for mobile phones, and many people have other complaints regarding computers and laptops as well, that this mic doesn't work in their computers too. And other thing apart from this is, if you want to use it for your mobile phone, for your video recordings, this mic doesn't cancel any kind of noise, but just helps when you are away from your mobile phone. If you're sitting close to your mobile phone with your mobile phone in hand, I'm pretty sure that your phone will record better quality audio than this mic. If you are sitting far away from your phone, like 1.1 meter, 1.5 meters away, then this mic will do your work. It will record okay audio without any kind of noise reduction, and that's it. So if you want to buy this mic for your mobile phone and you usually sit far away from your mobile, and then you can go for it. Otherwise this mic is completely crap. This mic is completely garbage according to me, and hence you shouldn't buy it at rupees 166. Now I just rechecked on Amazon, and it is costing around 180 rupees, around $3 now. So don't go for it. Buy another mic. I guess I will have to return this now. This is completely shit. So if you liked my review, please like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also do share it on Facebook and WhatsApp, whatever social media you use, so that many people reach out, many people know about this mic. This mic is known as the generic lapel lavalier mic on Amazon, and this mic isn't available on Flipkart, so only on Amazon. So beware, if you want to buy it for your mobile, you can buy it. For DSLR, laptops and computers, don't buy it. Also, leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.